Hi there! Welcome to our tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to check your card details and the available balance. Start by opening your email app and searching by keyword Tremendous. Open the email, scroll down, and click the View Card button. Here, two balances are displayed, Euro and USD. If you scroll down, you will also see your card details, including your card number, expiration date, and security code, CVV. In addition, this is the place where you can set up SMS and email notifications. For this, you have to click the menu in the top right corner and then select Notification Settings. Here, you can now choose whether you want to receive SMS, email notifications, or both for transactions you make. Make your selection and click Save. And you're done. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to check your card details and view your available balance.